Hello students, welcome in Arvind's e-classes. And those are new, I want to introduce them. We are discussing class 10 FIT course, and here it is a HTML, and I guide them better. They explore this channel and see all the useful tutorials. And in this tutorial we are going to discuss your anchor tag. And as you know, your anchor tag has a two type of tags, internal and external. Next we will see how we can use anchor tag with the help of image tag. Next, there is one quiz based over these anchor tag and image tag. And next we have one surprise that is waiting for you. So without wasting time, let us switch to our this tutorial. So this is your anchor tag. Let us see this diagram. Here we have two type of your anchor tag. First one is your internal and second one is your external link. So let us discuss your both the tags one by one. First of all, internal link. Internal link mean to say when you establish a link within a same website or within a same web page, that is called internal link. You do not call any external website to your web page. So come to external link. External link means when you establish a link to external website, like you have your own website and you are calling some external website to your web page, that is called external link. And the second thing, your external link is little easier than your internal link. So we will start first of all your external link. So come to next slide. Yeah, it is your external link. Like see here, we have your one website like arvindseclasses.com, and here we establishing one link with your this external website here. So it's a one website and we calling second website, so it is called your external link. So for external link we use anchor tag and we use these two attributes. First one is your href. It stands for hyper reference, where we give a path of your external website. And second one is your title, and here we type text as a comment. And as you know, your anchor tag is a container tag, so here it is your end of tag. Understood? So let us do practically your external link. And as you already know, here we have this one body part and this one is your bottom part. Okay, so here we have used your font tag, and here we have used your one attribute, that is the size, to increase the size of your font so that it would be visible to all of you. So here we will use your anchor tag, and the next attribute is your hyperreference, href, f equal to double quote bracket close. So here we write Arvind's e-classes, Arvind's e-classes, end of your anchor tag. Okay, and here we will put your path, it's your channel name. So copy this URL, Control C to copy to URL. Now I'm closing this web page, open Notepad and copy your path here. So we have copied here. Now Control S. Now open your browser, and now I'm going to refresh this web page, and it is the output of your web page. Okay, now second attribute was title. So here we put next attribute title, title equal to, so here we write Arvind E classes, suppose Arvind E classes, control S, and now see, we see any difference? Now see, when we bring our mouse point over here, we see one comment, this comment box, this one comment box, this one comment box, that is with the help of your title attribute. Now I'm going to click over this link and see that YouTube channel has been opened, that is with the help of your anchor tag. I'm going back again and see, it is called your external link. We click over here and it opens external web page, so it is your external link. Okay, so I think you would have understood how we establish your external link. One attribute, that is your H hyperreference. Second, we use title. Okay, now come to next slide. Next one is using image as a link. Just now we used one sentence to establish a link with another website. In the same way, we can establish a link with the help of your web page. Just now see here, we are using your anchor tag, same attribute hyperreference, where we give a path of your web page. Its URL stand for unique resource locator, here title to give a comment, and here we will use your image attribute, and you already know your image attribute is a empty tag. So here we using image tag, and it's your attribute source, and where we give a path of your image, and it's your height that we give in a percentage. Third one attribute is your width, that we also give in the same percentage. That is to define the dimension of your web page. So let us see practically how we can use this image tag. It's your notepad. So here we using this text as a link. See here, this text is as a link. When we click over this text, some action happens. So now we want to replace this text with a image. So we will do some changing here. Instead using this text, we will use here image tag. So write down IMAGE SRC, double quote here. Next we will use height, HEIGHT equal to, we set height as a 20%. Next width we set again 20%. Yeah, 20%. Control S. Now we have to get one image, so we open up our folder. Now click over image, double click over image, and this time we use this penguin. Okay, it's a PENG. Right click over here, go to property, and it is your property. Click over here, select whole path, Control C to copy the path, and one thing, see its format, it's your JPG format. And so click over here, now paste this complete path, write down your file name. It was penguin, PENG.jpg. Once again, I want to verify this name, PENG. Open your folder, PENG. Yeah, it's absolutely right. Now I'm gonna close this folder. So Control S to save it, and now open up your browser and refresh it. Now see here, one image is present and you can see comment Arvind's e-classes. Now I'm gonna click over here. Now see what happens. Same thing, same web page has been opened in front of you. That is with the help of image tag. In the previous we used text and now we have used your image. Now I think you have understood how we can establish external link with the help of text as well as an image. Okay, so now you are ready to learn internal link. Yeah, it is your image tag that we just now discussed, image tag, and here we use your anchor tag. It is your end of anchor tag, and here we have used your image tag. Okay, and image tag we have already discussed in a previous tutorial. If you have any doubt, query, just go there and sort out your problems. Okay, and now we move to next slide, and that is your internal link. Yeah, it is your internal link, and yeah, it's your internal link, and it is little tricky, so please focus here. Put your 100% focus here. It is your anchor tag, it is your end of anchor tag. Okay, next we are using your name, and here you will put any name. Okay, any alphabet name, it's your choice, and here you can put any text. Okay, it is the first part of your internal link. Come to second part. Here we again using your anchor tag, see here, and it is your end of anchor tag, and here we using your hyper reference. In previous external tag, here we were giving address of your external website, but here we will use hash and we will give your this address. Like suppose here we are using anchor name, so here you have to give a same name, anchor name, because when anyone will click over here, then this page will open, okay. So it is title. So let us we do practically. First of all, I will delete this file, and I have already typed one code so that to save time. Control A to select all content, Control C to copy. Now minimize it, open your main notepad, and Control V to paste it. Okay, Control S to save it, and directly I want to switch to your browser to show its output. Now refresh this web page, and it is your output. And one by one I will introduce you how we have got this output. So see here, it is your heading tag. Here we have ended your heading tag, and this text is at center, so we have used your center tag also. Okay, and next, these all are your link. Okay, 3, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, these all are linked. These all underlined text are your link, and these are established with the help of your anchor tag. There should be no confusion about anchor tag. Okay, move to next. Here we have used your break tag to give more space. Okay, so after that we have used your 1 again break tag here, 2, 3 again break tag to give a more space. Okay, so it's a counting. We are moving down, again down. So here we have a content. Here we have used your, it's a heading 1. Okay, it is at center, so again we have used your center tag. Next, and here we have used your paragraph tag. And here your paragraph gets over, and here we have used your unordered list that you will discuss. We will see in next tutorial. Okay, so I think you would have understood a little bit about your this content. So now I show you its output directly, then I will explain in notepad what we have done. So there is one simple way. If you want to move the end of your web page, just go down, again down, again down, and down and down. It's taking too much effort. So this way you can move to your paragraph. And the next method is with the help of anchor tag. When I click over here, see here this paragraph is available with a one click. So mean to say we are just exploring same web page. Again I show you, I go up and I click over here, your content is present. And second way is go up and come down, again go up and come down. And second way is, again I am repeating so that you would understood. Click over here and your content is available, and your content is at same web page. Again I am repeating, at same web page. In external linking we were calling some external website, like we were calling YouTube channel. Okay, now come to notepad, and here you have to see what was going on actually. So see here, you already know your this head portion, it's your body portion, and here we have used your font tag. So increase the size of your content. See, it's a size. Okay, now it's your font tag start here and font tag ends here. It's the end of your font tag. Come over here, again we have used center tag. Just now I told you, that's why your content is here, this content is at center. Okay, next it's your heading 1 to make it more bigger and to highlight this content. Again we have used your break tag to move to next line. Next we are using your anchor tag. Okay, and here please focus here, and it's a hyper reference equal to inside double quote we are using hash, and it's your text. See here, it's a hash, it's a hyper reference hash, and it's your anchor name. And here we are using your chapter 1, and somewhere we would also use same chapter 1. See here where we using chapter 1. See chapter 1, I show you where we using chapter 1. See here, it's a second anchor tag, and its name is chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1, it's at center, and it's heading 1 HTML end, center end, and tag and enter. Next second heading, and it's your paragraph, and paragraph ends, and here we will use your unordered list that we will discuss in next tutorial. I'm talking about this thing. I'm talking about this thing. See here, heading tag, introduction, this one and this one. It is here. See here. Same thing is here. Understood? So come to here. Yeah, it's your anchor tag, hyper reference. Here we write in chapter 1 and chapter 1 HTML, and this thing is here. See, it's your chapter 1 and HTML. Okay, so I think you would have understood how we establish your internal HTML linking. So better you pause this video and see how it opens. I will give you one outlook of your content so that you could see it properly. So just go through it. I giving you one look how we have used here. see this content break 1 2 3 5 11 12. Just go through it. Yeah, I think you would have understood how we have used. So here we using your second anchor tag. Here we have used your paragraph, and it's an order list that we are going to discuss in next tutorial. And here your font tag ends, body ends, HTML ends. And with this you are already familiar. I think you have absolutely understood. I have spent a lot of time, so there is no chance that you would not have understood. Okay, so without wasting time, we switch to next. That is a quiz. So before starting quiz, I want to remind all the things that we have discussed. First of all, we discuss your anchor tag, and there are two types of anchor tag. First one is internal, second one was external. And first we discuss your external. In external tag we use one attribute, hyperreference, and where we set a path of your external website. Second, we use text to give a comment. Okay, and second thing, your anchor tag is a container tag. Next, we discussed how we can establish external linking with the help of image tag. And in image tag we used image tag. Second, we use your source to get a picture in your computer. Second, we use height and width to give a dimension. You can also use alignment to set left, right, center wherever you want in your web page. And another thing, anchor tag is your empty tag. Next, we discuss your internal link, where we use your two anchor tags. And in first we use name, and in a second anchor tag we used hyperreference. Okay, so we start today's quiz. So your first question is, anchor tag is a which type of element? You already know we have a two type of element. First one is a container which has initial and end tag, and second one is a container empty element which has only initial element. And what you saw in anchor tag? Yes, you are absolutely right. Your anchor tag is a container tag. Second question is, there are how many type of anchor tag? So we established link with the external website. Second, we also explored same website. So you are right. There are two type of anchor tag. Third question is, which anchor link has access to other website? Other website mean to say outside. So you are absolutely right. That is external link. Very good. Come to fourth question, which anchor link has access within the same web page? So it was, yep, you are right. It was internal link. Come to second last question, anchor tag can be combined with which tag? So we used image to establish as a link. So you are absolutely right. That was an image tag because it is an empty element. Last question is, which tag helps to combine all web pages in a website? You know, your website is a combination of number of web pages, and these web pages are gathered with the help of which tag? So that is your anchor tag. Very good. So dear, this time you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. You got 6 out of 6 marks. Very good. I give you good also. So we move to next section. Surprise. And your question is, what is low level language? Do you know what is low level language? Think of it. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it is your answer. So your machine language. First of all, what is machine language? all machines understand two commands, that is on and off, right? So that on and off command is called your machine language. It is also called your first generation language. Here on is represented with your 1 and off is represented with your 0, and because it has two characters, that's why it is also called binary language, because binary means true. So it is the computer's main language. So we establish all the program and convert into your machine language so that your computer would understand and do the task what we give to this machine. So how was this tutorial? Please write below in a comment box, because this is going to be a fuel for this channel. Also watch these videos and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.